Unleashing the full potential of your hair can be as simple as opening your refrigerator. That's right, the humble yogurt hiding behind your leftovers holds the secret to gorgeous, luscious locks. Yogurt, a household staple, packs a powerful punch when it comes to hair care. Rich in proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids, this dairy delight can breathe life into dull strands, combat dandruff, and even promote hair growth. Today, we're diving into the world of do-it-yourself beauty and exploring how to create and apply a yogurt hair mask. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need half a cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The honey will add a touch of hydration, while the lemon acts as a natural cleanser. Step 1, combine your ingredients. In a bowl, mix the yogurt, honey, and lemon juice until you get a smooth, creamy paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stick to your hair, but not too runny. Step 2, apply the mask. Start at the roots and work your way down to the tips, making sure every strand is coated in the creamy concoction. For an even application, use a hair dye brush, or simply your fingers. Step 3, relax and let the mask do its magic. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. This gives the yogurt enough time to penetrate the hair shaft and deliver its nutrient-rich goodness. Step 4, rinse and condition. Thoroughly rinse your hair with warm water, then follow up with your regular conditioner. This will seal in the moisture and leave your hair feeling soft and silky. And there you have it, a simple yet effective yogurt hair mask made in the comfort of your own home. Remember, healthy hair is happy hair, and sometimes the best treatments can be found right in your kitchen. To recap, this yogurt hair mask harnesses the power of proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids to rejuvenate your hair. It's simple to make, and the results speak for themselves. Dull hair becomes vibrant, dry strands become hydrated, and your scalp gets a refreshing cleanse. So, next time your hair needs a pick-me-up, reach for that tub of yogurt and give it the nourishment it deserves. Hair care doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest. Give this yogurt hair mask a try and discover the difference for yourself. Your hair will thank you.